PECM Systems has proprietary electrochemical machining technology. We constantly develop our processes which can transform the way you machine and polish your parts. The tooling is simple and fast to operate. When machining stainless steel diaphragm valves, both D-sections and both bores are machined simultaneously. No process is faster or more efficient. Our unique process not only polishes to sub-micron surface finishes, it rapidly removes a lot of material. The valve bodies can be cast or pre-milled forgings. D-sections and bores are blended seamlessly. We supply to a diverse international customer base, including the USA, Thailand, and China. And we are ready to work with you. PECM Systems, your machining and polishing partner.